Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to turn off emergency alerts on Android. Here's what we will cover. Discover settings. Search emergency alerts. Another option. Let us get started. Step 1. Discover settings. To turn off emergency alerts on your Android phone, open the Settings app on your phone first. Step number 2. Search emergency alerts. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Emergency Alerts. Select Wireless Emergency Alerts. You will see different types of alerts listed, then toggle it off. Step 3. Another option. If you cannot find the option using search, you can also try navigating through Settings. Safety and Emergency, scroll down and tap Wireless Emergency Alerts and toggle it off. And that is how to turn off emergency alerts on Android. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, disabling emergency alerts may prevent you from receiving important safety warnings about severe weather, natural disasters, or other critical events. Some government-mandated alerts cannot be turned off. Menu names and steps may vary slightly depending on your Android version and device model. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.